insane workflow for using Fable to create unbelievable animations for your business together with Gemini Omni. So I click on New Project. While that's loading, I'm going to click on Claude Fable and ask him to create a JSON prompt for the video that I'm trying to create. So I copy that prompt from Fable, and Fable is the best model to create JSON and to output the perfect JSON. Then I go back to the Google Flow, and we've got some good news. Gemini Omni has slashed their prices by half. Fantastic. After that, I'm going to select video. I'm going to do 16 by 9 because that's what I need. And then I'm choosing the Omni model. 10 seconds. And then I'm going to paste in my JSON prompt here, and then I'm going to create. And that's going to create two animations based on the JSON prompt created by Fable. And as Fable has incredible prompt adherence, and he has incredible prompt understanding, and he can understand the depth of your business, the way you create a video with Fable is simple. When you first come to Fable, this is the prompt you need to use. Hey, listen, I need you to provide me the perfect 10-second video clip from an AI video generator. And the purpose of the video will be literally no text on the video, just going to show what it can do. Meaning basically I need like an explainer type 10-second video, which explains what the thing can do. I haven't provided you with any information about the actual tool itself. I'm about to send that shortly. I just want to make sure you know what your role is. So I want your response in JSON format. After that, you literally paste all of the data that you have about your business, and he will send back a JSON prompt with an explainer video. Now let's go back and see the final product. We have two distinct options over here, and we can watch them together. Check this out.
Want to share your GitHub story? Just drop your video right here. Our smart AI takes care of the rest. Sharing your code has never been easier. Want to share your GitHub story?
That's one. Let's check the second one. Fantastic. So follow for more unbelievable AI tips and tricks. And this video was a demonstration of a software called ZippyClip, which basically edits your videos with AI. It chops them up into viral content if you want, and it adds effects and publishes to all of your channels.